photographs, these are the signs of war. They tell you that war is not good. So we're back on this war from 1968 to 1970. Very, very bloody civil war. Thereafter, after the civil war, Gowon quickly reconciled the country, and he declared no winner, no vanquished. And thereafter, his government was overthrown by this other man, Murtala Mohammed. He's the guy. The same Murtala Mohammed, to tell you the extent of instability in Nigeria, just in a matter of few months, he was overthrown. Though it was a failed coup. So he was killed in a bloody coup. And his second, Olusegun Obasanjo, took over. He's the guy, still alive. And it was Obasanjo that handed over to a civilian government, Alhaji Shehu Shagari. This is the Second Republic. Then Shehu Shagari's government in 1983 was overthrown by this guy, Buhari. He is still alive, wanting to be the president. And this other man, Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida, overthrew this man in the palace school. They were friends. And for a long period, about 8 years, we had a headless kind of transition that had no head until he was practically forced. He decided to hand over thereafter. They conducted an election. And this man, Chief MKO Abdullah, is one of the richest men in Nigeria, very rich. And he contested for that election. He won the election. And coincidentally, he is a friend of this man, Babangida. And because of the North-South dichotomy and mutual suspicion, they refused to give him power. They either imprisoned him. And thereafter, he gave power to his brother, who was then the Minister of Defense. His name is Sani Abacha. You must have heard of him. He's the one that stole all our money and then stashed in the Swiss bank. Very, very